Henry, after getting ejected, is back. He's back as ref. Carl with the shot, no good. As I mentioned, the monkeys inside the sidekicks are playing. Jack with the shot. Oh, Carl with the easy layup. Jack, drive it in. I think he has a mismatch here. Gets the rebound. Easy lay. Oh, he could not stop. Aaron Sokolowski. Oh, no good. Jack with the shot. Ah.
Logan Curro.
Curro. No good. I just can't wait to riot against Henry whenever he calls a bad call. It is 2-2. Gabe.
Whoa, what a move.
Vader. Kobe. No good. For Kobe. For the Mamba. 24-8.
Subs.
Forever. No, don't call subs. Not yet, after this.
Jack Woods getting doubled.
Jack passes it to, oh, never mind. Oh, he faked
That was
me.
subs. That was
Oh! Subs are in. My arm is about to break because I've been holding this phone for damn too long. Logan at the shot. Oh my tail. That was not a good shot in my opinion. We're gonna test the shot. Jack with the shot. Money!
5-2.
Money! 5-2. Straight cash.
Battling it out. Got
Gabe.
Joey wide open, no.
Vader. D-Buck! No good.
Joey, look at that hustle by Joe the Crow.
Joe the Crow, he's looking like Dennis Rodman out there.
Open man, passes it to Curro.
Shoot it! Joey!
No.
Ah, no good. Joey, Jack with the shot. Oof, that was...
Put it up.
Oh, I thought it went out of bounds. Jude missed the shot. I am just doing terrible at recording currently. Oh my God, this is just like, I'm just seeing. Henry, you gotta call something here. Blocked by Jackson.
Oh no, I'm getting blood on my
Jack with the reverse layup. How are you getting blood with this shirt? My co-host is getting blood. My co-host is bleeding. What is going on? Henry! What are you doing?
Gabe's out. Gabe's out.
Gabe's out? Is he ejected?
Yeah, he's ejected. He's gone.
He's ejected! He's gone!
Let's get Mike.
Get out of here! Get out! Jack with the feet, oh good.
Gabe's first doesn't count because he's yeah, make a note of that. Any points he scored.
Jack! No good. Try and watch it! No!
Should I ref?
You want to be cameraman? You want to be cameraman?
Yeah, sure.
My arm's hurting. Anyways, that is it for... I'm leaving. I hope I did good at co-hosting.
You did very good. Hello, this is Maxwell Lundberg here. So far, this has been, I think this is a close one. I have no idea, I just got here.
Oh my God.
Jack Woods takes a midi and no good. Gabe got a tech earlier, I think. I don't know. He was drawing off at the ref. Gabe, saucing him up. Passes it to Curro for 3, and that's good. Wow. Brushes his hair.
Dude, that was a scam.
What's the score? 5-8, sidekicks up. Jackson with the midi, no good. Curro, why not? And that's a break. Oh, that's kind of shuffled his feet a little bit there, but whatever. Oh.
Jackson out.
Gabe in disbelief.
Slippery court. Ref leaves for his second game in a
That's
row.
no good. Gabe drives, tries to force something, and he gets a tough layup.
8
subs! Next possession. Next possession, subs. Come on,
Kuro, mad about getting subbed out. Jack for 3. That's an air ball. Passes it to Jackson though, but he cannot make a layup. Joey in the corner passes it to, passes it to Aaron, but he missed it. I think his name's Aaron, I forgot. Joey, that's a brick, and Jack gets the layup. You're gonna have to carry, Gabe. Wow, bang. Tied game.
Tie game, a minute left.
Good.
What's his name in the white shirt again? That's guarding Jack?
Aaron.
That's Aaron? All right, Jack with the
12-10.
fadeaway over Aaron. Gabe wants a shot, and you will get it, and that is no good.
Joey, get the rebound.
Joey cannot get a rebound. Jackson passes it to Jack for 3. No good.
Joey, what are you doing? We're on the
Gabe screaming at his teammates, and that's a layup. Pause the clock.
14-10.
Is it halftime? Is it going to be halftime?
No,
16 seconds. No.
Gabe shoots it. Oh, wow. Pause it. 1 point game. You guys need a foul. We need a foul. Foul. Stop clock.
After the attempt, that was after. He fouled before the 3 went down.
He only gets 2. Oh, misses the first one.
14-13.
You got 6 seconds. All right, 3-point game. Pause
5
the clock.
seconds.
5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, no good. Dang.
What more can I do? What more can I do?
Gabe had 10 of the 13 points for the Monkeys, I'm pretty sure.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I think you had 10 of your 13 points. All right, wait, I need to see final score. Mike, final score.
What? Okay, 16-13. Sidekicks won.
What are your thoughts on the game?
Game was ejected. I don't know how he was still in the game.
Oh, okay. Thoughts on the game?
Put me in.
Thoughts?
Put me in.
Okay. That's your thought? Okay. Well, I kind of have no power over that. All right.